Small kitchen design ideas. Small kitchen design ideas should be ways you come up with to save as much space as possible while having everything you need in the kitchen. As stated before, a small island in your small kitchen design can help save space when it comes to storage for your pots and pans or utensils. If you are not financially able to work an island into your small kitchen design idea, you can use a mobile butcher block cart. This is a good idea for food prepping or to just use as a buffet. The cart is very resourceful, and can be stored easily by sliding right in next to your sink. A small kitchen hutch is also a good idea since it has pull-out parts like storage drawers and cutting boards. A small hutch also has glass doors on its upper portion where a few plates and fine china may be stored. An open plate rack can be built in or placed against the wall as an addition.